Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the previous topic. The topic name was how to speak in English, and it is the for beginners and those who want to speak in English. So yesterday I told you something about that how can we speak in English, and today we are also telling you about the speaking and how can we speak, how can we get the confidence. First of all, you have to mm, out from the fear. Okay, you have to come out from the fear, because a fear feels you, then you can't speak in English. So if you want to get confidence, then you have to fear out the this, and after that you will speak, and I will tell you something that how can we start. Today I will tell you that how can we start. Okay, so we have to remember that there are three types of time, and when we talk about the time, then present, past, or future. And if you have to speak in present, then you will use some structures which will be given by me. And when we have to speak about the past, then we have to uh, speak on the given structures, and I will tell you. So today I'm giving you, and today I am telling you that how will we speak in English about present. And if you want to speak about your daily routine, about your habits, then you have to use the structure which will I give you. Okay, the structure is if you want to speak about yourself, that if I want to speak about my daily routine, then I have to use I plus action. Okay, action means man verb. Okay, which we do in daily life, like khana pina, utna baithna, sona, nahana dhona. These are the actions. Okay, so we will use with I plus action when we find that we have to speak in English about ourselves, and then we will use I plus action. Okay, that I play, I go, I come. Okay, we can speak more and more sentences. You have to practice about this. Okay, that I can speak in English, like if you have to speak about daily routine, then we will use I go, I come, I play, I get up. Okay, I plus action. Action, I told you that what is the action. Action is man verb. Okay, so we will use action, and after I, or if you want to speak about you, and you can speak you plus action. And if you want to speak about they, then you can speak they plus action. So there are so many ways that we can speak in English. First of all, we need to know about that how can we speak about ourselves. So then we will use in place of I the plural subjects, that maybe students, children, play, all these things. जैसे if I want to speak in English, that बच्चे खेलते हैं, then children play, students जाते हैं, students go. Okay, and जैसे पक्षी उड़ते हैं तो birds fly, players खेलते हैं तो players play, है ना. Okay, so like this many sentences we have we have made. So I think you will get this formula, that if you want to speak about the habit, habit may be a person, or habit may be of a person, animal, thing, trees. Okay, all these things, and habit may be of a mobile. So if you want to speak, if you want to tell about the habit, then you can use this structure I plus action. In place of I, we will use subject and the object. About that we have to speak. Okay, so it is the third video of, and next videos I will give you, in the next videos I will tell you more something about that. And I hope that you will get this and try to speak. After some time we will speak on the given topics and about the places. So wait for some time, and after some time you will speak confidently. So it is my third video, and I hope that you will like this and share this. Okay, thank you guys.